Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alice. In my previous episode, I created some fun and easy DIY Valentine's Day crafts, perfect for handmade gifts. So if you haven't seen it yet, I will leave the link in the description. Before we start today's Procreate illustration, let's talk about what Valentine's Day really means. Valentine's Day is more than just a celebration of love. It's a reminder that love needs to flow between giving and receiving. This holiday has evolved into a day when people expressing love with chocolates, flowers, and heartfelt gifts. But true love isn't just about what we give. It's also about what we receive. Love should never be one-sided. Because if only one person is giving all the time, they will eventually feel tired. Love is strongest when it flows freely in both directions. And that's exactly the theme of today's illustration. I will be creating a personified vision of Valentine's Day representing the balance between giving and receiving love. Let's bring this concept to life through art. And to make this idea even clearer, I've created 4 hearts, each representing a different stage of love. The first heart is bright red and super cute. It represents the beginning of love, when everything feels magical, and people give their whole heart without second thought. The second heart is purple, and looks like sleeping. This stage represents the challenges in love. Love isn't always a fairy tale, and sometimes we face difficulties and disappointments. The third heart is broken into 2 pieces. It symbolizes breakups and the pain of letting go. Not all love stories last forever, and that's okay. The fourth heart is unique and stylish, with 2 little braids. This represents growth and experience in love. At this stage, we understand the importance of balance, giving and receiving love freely. We also learn to stay true to ourselves. Through these 4 hearts, I want to show that love is a journey. It's not just about happiness, but also about learning, growing, and finding balance. And that's what I will be illustrating today in Procreate. Now grab your favorite drink and enjoy this drawing journey. I'm on my way to 100 subscribers, so if you like my content, consider subscribing. Your support means the world to me. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day and I will see you next week. Bye!